Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Fahri Hamzah. I am here to answer the question. Part 1. Could you please tell me a little bit about your hometown? I was born in Jember. Maybe here I will introduce a little about my hometown. If you heard the word Jember, then what you comes to your mind? Not only that, Jember is also famous for its unique quaint as its Pandalungan culture. So, if you visit Jember and stay there for a few weeks, you will definitely know that the city has a variety of cultures and language. Pandalungan culture is a characteristic of Jember city that is not shared by other regions. Pandalungan means a mix of Javanese and Madurese culture. Therefore, don't be surprised if you have heard of Jember people who use mixed language in their daily communication. 2. Do you have any hobbies? I have a passion of football and reading since childhood. 3. What characteristic do you think for fans like from you? Maybe the characteristic of action will. I have empathy. You could say like that because of the character of the unique values. The personality of a person that is believed and as a way of saying things in everyday life. 4. What do you like to do when you are alone? Why? Things I do when I am alone, when I am in a complicated problem. That's where I am alone in silence because I need to calm down for a moment and know a way out by praying to Allah. 5. If you had a chance, which country would you like to visit? Why? Alhamdulillah, I want to go to Singapore and Egypt because Singapore is famous for in its clean country and not many people. Then Egypt with Alexandria. 6. How do you usually travel in your daily day? Why? Traveling in my everyday life is simple because I am a person who is not too busy. Traveling alone only brings money and fun. 7. Which one do you prefer? Traveling by taxi or by train? Why? I really like traveling by train because in my opinion, besides the more affordable price, the service is more satisfying. 8. What do you think about transportation in your city? Is it good already? Transportation to Jember, which is not on the Pantura route, is sometimes a dilemma for some people. However, actually, transportation to Jember is not difficult because it then can be reached by land or air. I think even though it's good enough, the service just needs to be improved. Part 2. Describe a program or an application in PC or phone that you like to ask. You should say what the program or application is, how often you use it, how it helps you in your life, and explain why you choose to ask it rather than any other program or application. WhatsApp is my favorite application because WhatsApp is a means of communication between individuals. Many features are provided by the WhatsApp application, such as sending text message, sending photos from a gallery or a camera, sending photos, sending office files, or sometimes calls by voice, including sending a voice message that can be heard by the recipient at all times, sharing location, incorporates GPS, send contacts here. WhatsApp also supports some famous but for stickers. WhatsApp is red minimalist is different from the more advanced line development. In WhatsApp, I can also arrange a profile panel which consists of names, photos, status, and some privacy management tools to protect the profile as well as help to back the message, in account numbers, and making payment. Okay, guys, I'm sorry if there is bad word. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.